So we're a design and construct building partner, and we've been working with ESI for about 12 months now to get this project out of the ground. The team are great. They've been very transparent across the process. You know, it's Australia first manufacturing facility, and we're very proud to be involved. Look, I suppose the way it's going to affect the region, I mean, we're going to create a lot of jobs out of this. I think there was 273 full-time equivalent positions here, and it's really boosting the regional economy. To be involved in that from our business, we're thrilled. Today's a great day. We're in the process of clearing at the moment. It's sort of the first phase, but in the background, you know, I've been working around 12 months on the pre-construction, doing all the documentation for the design of this facility, which will eventuate over the next 12 months. Hopefully we can get this cleared in the next 4 weeks, and then we'll look to start doing the civil bulk earthworks. ESI have been great to work with. They've shown integrity, honesty and transparency throughout the process, and I couldn't pick a better firm to be involved with on this construction.